Hello guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. In this video, we'll teach you how to display the day of the week on the taskbar, as well as how to adjust the time and date settings. So let's get started. So if you hover the mouse cursor on the time, you'll be able to see the date and the day of the week. And if you left click on it, you will see a bigger display of the time, the day of the week, as well as the calendar. So if you want the day of the week to be shown on the taskbar, what you need to do is to go to Start Menu and then type in Control Panel. So this is the best result. Left click on it. Then set the view by to large icons. Next, find and click on Region. A new window will open. Click on Additional Settings tab. Another window will open. Click the Date tab. This one, under Date Formats, delete the short date. And replace it with DDD-DD-MM-YY. So again, that's lowercase ddd dash lowercase dd dash uppercase mmm dash lowercase yy. Then click the apply button and then the OK button. And now, as you can see, the settings have been changed. It now shows the day of the week. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.